In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop spam for Microsoft Outlook users. First, let's turn on the built-in protection. On Outlook for Desktop, go to the Home tab, click Junk, then choose Junk Email Options. If you're using the new Outlook on the web, open Settings, select Mail, then Junk Email. This is where you control how aggressively Outlook filters suspicious messages before they reach your inbox. You'll see protection levels. Low catches only obvious junk and keeps the risk of false positives low. High is stricter and will send more suspicious mail to junk, which is great if you're getting a lot of spam, but it does mean you should check your junk folder more often. Safe lists only is the most controlled option. Only people and domains you've marked as safe will land in the inbox, and everything else goes to junk. Whichever you choose, Outlook will automatically move flagged messages to your junk folder. Next, block spammers directly. When a junk email arrives, right-click it, choose Junk, and select Block Sender. That adds the sender to your block senders list instantly. You can also manage this in Settings, open Block Senders and Domains, click Add, and enter specific addresses or entire domains, like @spammy.com. Blocked messages are routed to junk and will be deleted automatically after about 30 days, so you don't have to clean them up manually. Now let's make sure trusted messages get through. In Junk Settings, open Safe Senders and Domains, click Add Safe Sender, and enter the email addresses or domains you trust. If a legitimate message accidentally lands in junk, right-click it and choose Never Block Sender, or go to Junk and pick Never Block Thread to protect that conversation. You can also check the option to also trust email from my contacts, so people you already know don't get filtered out. To clean up quickly, open the junk email folder and click Delete All to clear existing spam. Make it a habit to scan junk periodically for anything important that slipped in, and move good emails back to your inbox. This helps the filter learn your preferences over time. Keep an eye on this, especially after changing your protection level. Finally, reduce future spam by disabling read receipts in your settings and avoiding posting your email address publicly. Both steps cut down on signals that spammers use to target active inboxes. That's it. Thanks for watching.